Good morning, YouTube land. What we have today is the 9-inch Icon slip joint pliers. Part number 70612. These are a new item from Harbor Freight with their Icon line, and apparently these are very hard to get. I've been chasing these pliers from my store from the last 3 days, and it's funny, I've been chasing these things like a dog in heat. They came in on the truck Thursday, and they had, the boxes they had to put out, and I still didn't get to them. So I was chasing it Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They still didn't have them out. I didn't go yesterday, and I went first thing today, President's Day morning at 8 o'clock, and they had 3 left, and I got the last 3. They have $25 each, $24.99. And I got one of them off with 15% coupon off for President's Day. So apparently right now on Facebook Reels and TikTok and YouTube, these things are supposed to be all the rage because they're quote-unquote knockoff snap-ons. They're very similar to the snap-on pliers. I'm sure you've seen the reel where the guy, he's in a tool truck, he drops the dime, and he goes, "Oh, this is yours," and he picks it up with the pliers. So I'm not gonna do that test. I'm just gonna do like a real unboxing real quick. Right off the bat, they do feel nice, but the handles, this, I guess you call rubber or plastic overmold, they have like a stickiness to it, I don't know, weird, like a weird grip to it. It feels like a little sticky. Like these are like green overmolds. These are fine and smooth. I mean, they have a texture to it, but like they feel a little weird. So maybe after a while of using them, maybe they'll get broken in. I mean, it's not super sticky. They just feel like tacky sticky. So I don't know if that's the way they made them. So let's open them up. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. Open package. Alright. Okay. So. Wow, apparently they I don't know if the camera shows it. I don't like block it in, but can you see like where the rivet is? Where I open it? Apparently, if you can see that shiny stuff, looks like they're greased. Yeah, looks like they're, hold on. Yeah, wow. They greased them up. It's feels like 3-in-1 penetrating oil. Sorry about the shadowing. Wow, well, that's not a bad idea. They're a little stiff. I mean, they do look straight. Yeah, even as there's even grease on the tips. Oil, I'm gonna call it oiled. Wow, okay, that's not bad, I guess. Wow, okay. It's not bad. So, not bad. I mean, they feel good in the hand. I know this is not like a real world test, but it's just a real quick unboxing. So, yeah, apparently these things are all the rage. So if you see inside, a couple different textures on the parts of the needle point, texture for grabbing. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is try them out. I'll play with them, and I'll give you an update review. But I mean, so far, not bad. I mean, the metal feels good. not bad. I mean, the metal feels good. So real world test. Like I said, I have to do a real world test. So I mean, like I said, my not really gripe, but it's like these red handles feel weird. And you can see there's like, it's hard to see, but there's like, I guess they glued them or whatever to keep them on. Yeah, they look like they epoxied or something in there. It's a little hard to tell, but yeah, the grips, they feel like, I mean, they got a rubber feel to them, but like I said, they're a little tacky. But like I said, maybe over time they'll wear in. So okay, guys, that's like my real quick unboxing of the new Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers. All right. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. All right, guys, I'll give you an update on these soon. Thank you. As I almost drop them. Thank you, and have a good day. Enjoy your President's Day.